Want to unlock a massive world of free entertainment on your streaming device? Today, I will show you how to set up Unlinked on your Fire Stick and hand over the best new codes for this alternative app store. This lets you get the latest updated applications for movies, TV shows, live TV, and live sports. The whole process is incredibly easy and will only take you a couple of minutes. Before we dive into the steps, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to TechVibes to help support the channel. First, we need to get a free app called Downloader. Go to the search icon on your device, start typing Downloader, and click on the orange icon. Let the app install on your device. Once Downloader is installed, do not open it yet. We need to tweak a hidden setting inside your device first. Go to the main menu and click on Settings. Scroll over to My Fire TV and look for Developer Options. If Developer Options is hidden, do not worry. Click on About, highlight your Fire TV Stick device, and click the center button on your remote quickly 7 times. A message will appear saying you are now a developer. Go back one screen, open Developer Options, and turn on ADB debugging. Next, click on Install Unknown Apps and turn the option on for Downloader. This allows you to install awesome apps from outside the official store. Before using Downloader, I always recommend connecting to a VPN to stay safe. Please use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. It completely encrypts your traffic so no one can track or snoop on your streaming activity. The installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or visit topvpnoffer.com on your phone to get an amazing deal with 3 months totally free. Just search NordVPN on your device, download it, and connect to a server to stay completely invisible. Now, let us safely open Downloader. Click the search bar at the top and type in unlinked.dat.link. Make sure you type the address exactly in the description box and click Next. When the page loads, scroll down and click the Download APK Android button. Once the download finishes, click Install. When it is done, click Done instead of Open. This gives you the option to click Delete and then delete again to clear the installation files and save space. We need to enable permissions for our new app. Go back to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and install Unknown Apps. Find Unlinked in the list and switch the option to On. Now head back to your Applications list and locate Unlinked at the bottom. Hold down the middle button on your remote, select Move to Front, and place it at the very top of your list for easy access. Open up the Unlinked app and click on Add a new library. Now it is time to enter the custom store codes. The first code is Fire Media. Type it in and click Next to access an amazing library of movie apps, live TV, and live sports. To check out the next store, go back and enter the second code, which is Zenetic. This unique store has an entirely different selection of media players and web browsers. The third code you need to enter is EMD YouTube. This is one of the best alternative app stores available in 2026 because the majority of the apps are constantly updated for Fire Sticks and Google TV. Finally, go back and enter the fourth code, which is just Fire Stick. This store packs even more unique applications that you cannot find anywhere else. Make sure your NordVPN is connected before opening any of these apps to keep your device secure. Check out the link in the description.